All right, so the final part that I'm going to talk about is the tacos themselves. Of course, there's probably three options really. You can use the soft wheat ones, like Oliver Paso ones. You can get soft corn ones, or you can get hard shell ones. Personally, I can't imagine why you'd eat hard shell tacos, but some people like them. What I will say is, I think the soft corn ones are the best. They're what you're going to get in Mexico. And they don't have that kind of sweetness that the wheat ones tend to have. But yeah, it's up to you. You can do whatever you like.